You are using the 16 or 18 version.
Sorry?
You are using the
I'm using
18.
18.
18.
Yeah. Okay, so here maybe for Tuan you would already know, but for Richard, if you were, let's say you want to add like a program for it, right? You right click on the application and then add object. There's a POU here. So here you can add like the program that you want. Then you can select like what's the language of the program that you want to use. So it could be structured text or CFC. Okay.
So what type of language do you usually use?
We normally use CFC or structured text.
Yeah.
Either one is okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. Then for application here, you can also add after you add a program, right? It actually doesn't run it because there is no task for it. So a task means that it's a cyclic task that the PLC will run. So what you need to do is application here, right? Click, add object, and then you add a task configuration. Okay. Yep. Then there will be a task here.
So can I just right click on the POU? No. No. Okay.
No,
Yeah.
it doesn't. Yeah, you need to right-click on application and then add object for the task configuration. After you add it, then you have a task here. So you can add like more tasks here, like maybe task number 2, task over here, task and then task underscore 1. So each of the tasks you can have a different interval that you want to configure.
Yeah.
Okay, so in this case, like if it's just 20, then after you configure the task, right, inside the task, you can right click the task and then add a program call, because you need to select like which task is calling which program. So then you can select the program that you have configured here. So this means that your program will run every 20 milliseconds. Right? Okay, so of course you can change it or whatever. So then you will have a task here. So as mentioned just now, normally we want to do this PLC setting, just enable, it's not used in any task, and task. Okay, let's see if we can try to build now. Okay, then I think we can download. Okay, so now to download, right, you just need to click on the login. Let me just make some changes first. Okay, so like for example, when you make some changes in your program and you want to download, you just click on the login here. Then there will some difference here, like how you want to download. So you can download with the online changes. So that means if let's say you only have some small program change, right, you can use download with online changes. So your program will be downloaded. But when you download with program changes, your PLC will still be in the running state. So this you can only log in with online changes for small changes, like maybe just some changes in program. But if let's say you have a hardware changes, right, it won't allow you to download with online changes. You need to log in with download. But you need to be careful, like especially if you are supporting customer, right, when you log in with download, right, it means that it will change your PLC mode from run to stop.
Yeah.
Okay. And then of course you can also download without changes, so you will just use back the previous download. Okay, and then you see there is update boot application. So what update boot application means that it will store the program into the PLC memory. So that means when you power cycle the PLC, you will still have this program. If you do not download with the boot application, right, it will not have a program, or it will restore back to the previous PLC program. Yeah. So if let's say you are doing some changes for your customer, right, it is recommended that you need to do the download with you need to update the boot application, because if not, then if you make some changes after their power cycle, it goes back customer will look for you again because they will face the same issues like last time before you change your program. Okay, so after you download, right, just click on this start button to play it, and then also you can basically you to run it and then to stop it with the button here, or you can like over here you can see like can we run here? Can we stop operating mode? Yeah, wait, not this one. Okay, in the debug you can stop or start it. Okay, then under the online you can also do some reset. So reset. Don, do you know what's the difference between reset warm and cold?
Just usually I use warm and origin.
Actually, like I also do not know what's the difference between warm and cold, but normally we will reset warm. So reset warm is basically like a power cycle for your drive, but without the actual power cycle. And when you reset warm, right, the mode will change to stop, and then you can just start it again. That's reset warm. But reset origin means that you will delete everything inside the PLC. So it will be like a new PLC. Not really a new PLC, but the program site will be gone. So like what you have downloaded here will all be gone. Your IP address, everything will still remain. So it's not really a factory reset, but it will clear out all your program. For reset cold and warm, to be honest, I don't really know the difference. To me, it's like it's the same. We don't. Normally, I just use reset warm.
For usually warm and origin is different. For example, if we do some teaching for robot in a PLC and we need to store like a position.
Okay.
So that means we need retain variable, right? So origin will clear all things. Like warm.
Origin will clear all the variable as well, right? Okay, then as maybe we just show some example here. Just now we tried the EtherCAT master. Okay, so okay, then let me just try. Oh, wait. Give me some time, let me try something. Let me change the EtherCAT here. Oh, yes, I have to change. I do remember. You don't have to learn this first. This will be teach you after this session. But I just want to reconfigure my CMMP so that I can reconfigure to become an EtherCAT slave.